Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And we can see this is the first ever mini GT I ever have in my collection. This is a Nissan Skyline GTR R34 in a V-spec active red color, and you can see some Nissan branding here and there. This is a 1 by 64 scale model. Let's open it and see how it is from inside. Let me tell you guys, I never bought any mini GT in my collection yet. This is the first time I'm having this in my collection, and this comes with like I have seen in many videos, this comes with this plastic packaging where the car is intactly over there. And the first impressions are, it's very nice actually, right? If you see the red color over there, it looks very clean. The livery is clean, the car is clean, and it looks nice actually, like a real car, right? Mini GT is popular for their detailing and all, so you can expect very detailed car. I'm just loving it, guys. And yeah, let me zoom a little bit from front. We'll start with the front, and you can see the GTR logo over there. The headlights are acrylic and they are well placed over there. The grill, it looks nice actually. The interior is also good. It's totally black over there. You can see the steering and all. It's a right hand drive. Very good. Let's see from the side now. uh, yeah, I like the shape. The livery is very clean, guys, and I like clean car, most of them. They look nice. From back also, it's nice. There are some linings and all. Yeah, let's see the back now. This is the real thing, guys. Look at the tail lights. Oh my god, they looks very nice. The fantastic they are looking. See the Skyline written over there, then exhaust, the tail lights, the spoiler, and the Skyline GTR written on the number plate, the Nissan logo. This is a perfect package actually. Just loving it. Let me show you the back also. There are some linings and all over there. This also looks good only, not bad, right? Some paint issue I can observe there, but it's okay. That is a part of the spoiler itself. Yeah, so overall the look is very nice actually. The active red color is like very appealing. Let's see the back now. You will not find this type of detailing in Hot Wheels nowadays, right? This type of detailing they give in chassis, and the bottom is made very detailed. It's made in China, and it's written Nissan Skyline GTR R34 under use license and all over that. So talking about the mirrors, right? Mini GT have the speciality, but you have to be very careful with those mirrors. They are very fragile in nature, so don't break it. And that's all for this car, guys. We'll meet in next video. Until then, keep subscribing and keep sharing.